in spite of a lot of skepticism and initial doubts, I think the exhibition has come long way. So much so that we have 1055 participation in this exhibition as compared to 624 which was during the earlier defense exposition in Delhi. So it's almost 70%, 80% growth in participation. The participation is also wider in terms of countries represented. From 27, the number has increased to 47, and thousands of delegates are already booked in to visit the exposition. We are anticipating large success, huge success to this exposition. This exposition also demonstrates India's technological advances. I request you to visit all the stalls. I know the size of the stalls and the quantum of display is very difficult to visit in totality, but you can definitely see the hall number 2 where most of the defense PSUs are demonstrated their progress in defense product. We are already on the verge of major Make in India in defense. The response to exposition, besides being in Goa, is also because of Make in India program of Prime Minister, which defense is pushing very hard and with a lot of success. In fact, last 1.5 years, there has been so many policy initiatives that has been initiated, including today's DPP 2016 version, which has been loaded on the website, which ensures that products made in India and Make in India becomes a success. And it also ensures that a foreign companies who have technologies can